is Frank Avontayun Company, and this is the code Wall Pro for my CS4322 mobile software development final project. It's a native Android application designed to streamline access to our course material. And I will be guiding you through the application code base. So I will start by looking at the main activity.kt file, which is the heart of our application. This single file contains most of our app logic, UI component, navigation setup, all built using Kotlin and Jetpack Compose. So section 1, I will start by the main activity.kt. So at the very top of our package, at the very top you have our package declaration, which is .com.example.course app. This defines where our code resides within the project structure. So if I scroll down to the main activity class, our main activity class extend, yeah, there it is. It extend component activities, which is the entry point of our compose based Android application. The onCreate method the onCreate method is where we set up our main UI using the set content. Here we apply our apps theme, course app theme, and wrap our entire UI within the surface to ensure it fills the screen and uses our defined background color. Sorry for that. So now we have the app navigation composable. The core of our app's flow is managed by the app navigation composable. This function acts as our navigation host, define what different screens a user can visit and how they can move between them. So now you will see now inside this we have a lot of variable declared and everything. So each composite block within the snapshot define a unique screen in our application. For example, we have the login, the home, we have the home, we have the login, we have the syllabus screen, and everything else. So you have also the start error that I already scroll and authentication. So a key part of our navigation is handling authentication. This launched effect observes the authenticate state for our app view model. If a user logs in successfully, it navigates through the home screen and clears the backstack. Similarly, if a user logs out, it returns them to the login screen, ensuring clean navigation history. So we also have a lot of all those pages, project instruction, and everything. So now these are some particular screen for our project instruction, for our learning module, and for our module page and module list. So that will have the set of all the different courses and material related to this class. So after that we have this function is designed for open all the PDF document like the labs and everything, and we also have this function to download to enable the user to download all the specific content. Maybe you want to download the syllabus, the lab, or some courses. So this is the methods. So these are some methods that will enable you to directly download all the materials, maybe syllabus and everything. So there are some reusable components, so some buttons and everything. So now let's move directly to another file, which is the file path. So the file provider referring to source, which is the file path.xml. Um, this XML file tells the file provider which path within our app storage is allowed to share. Um, is allowed to share to share a document. Entry specific allows to share files form of our app's cache directory. So which is where we temporarily copy our PDF asset. We have also the Android manifest. It is right here. So this is for the PDF opening functionality we need to configure for the PDF opening functionality. So that's why we configure this Android manifest.xml file. So we had the internet permission for the URL fallback. We read external storage for potential future use, or if external storage was chosen for saving file. So the most critical part here is the provider block. So as you can see there, this declares our file provider, which is essential for securely sharing files from our app's internal storage with other applications like PDF Viewer or whatever. So yeah, we have like the Android LAN URL permission 2, which is vital for granting the temporary access to the URL. The tools.ignore there, right there, yeah. Also, and and that's it. So basically, these are all my files that I created for this project. So the main activity, which contain all the most essential parts, which are the UI component and some methods. We have the file path, which contain the path to where all our files are located. They are located in the asset folder, sorry, which contain the lab, the instruction, the syllabus and everything. We have our Android manifest, which handle the on click, which handle the yeah, we have the Android manifest.xml, yeah, which handle the PDF click operation to enable us to download the file. So thank you for your time.